Sick of back pains from sitting on a heap, fumbling at the ATM for your card, or looking like a freak while managing life and purchases? Don't go aggro, go pro with the Dark Knot Pro Performance Wallet. Show confidence by rocking something smaller, sleeker, and quicker. Upgrade your game with the Dark Knot Pro Performance Wallet. What was once a 7-second process is now less than a second. Maybe it's time you force some simplicity into your life. Our wallet is so slim and so light, it's practically weightless. Our unique design and flexible elastic band technology allows for the easiest removal and effortless reinsertion. With its detachable clip, you can play the modern baller or the old school businessman. Made of aviation grade aluminum, it is unbreakable and highly durable. Plus, our super strong elastic technology allows it to hold up to 20 cards and will last you for years to come. Its RFID blocking technology makes worries of identity theft or getting your details swiped a thing of the past. Available in 5 colors, you can go with a different look every day of the week with the Dark Knot Pro Performance Wallet. We need your support to bring this incredible wallet to life. Thank you, Kickstarter. We love you, and you'll love your new wallet.